Welcome to Recorder Karate. That was the white belt song. If you would like to earn your white belt, you will be playing Hot Cross Buns for me. It's not enough just to move your fingers in the correct way. We want it to sound good. So think about each of the three notes, B, A, G, sounding nice and clear. We don't want squeaking. If you start hearing that, you really need to think about covering the holes all the way. We've talked in class about making Cheerios on the pads of your fingers. Another thing is, every time in the song that you see the G note with three fingers and the thumb, it's a whole note. A whole note lasts for 4 counts. Don't make your G's short. It should sound like this. Did you hear how long that G was? Well, happy practicing with that. Have fun, and I can't wait to hear you play Hot Cross Buns.